Yeah, exactly. Let me see. She's exactly 60 going on 12 actually.
Now, respira. Exhale. Bueno. We got one more like that. We're just prepping the spine right now. Good. Yeah. When you're 36, I don't really like to drive through the spine in that direction, so we're going to do it in a different way. Turn over on your back now. Boca arriba. How you doing? You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Let's give you what you came for from New York. Good. There's my guy. Okay. I'm going to bring the head all the way over like this. Mm-hmm. Good.
Oh.
Okay. Face me. You lay on this side, okay? This hand's gonna come up like this. This hand's gonna come here like this, okay? Good. Definitely a lot of restriction here at L5S1. Good give actually. 4, 3, 2. A little locked up there, okay?
Oh my God.
What you feeling on that one?
Wow.
A lot of good stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That hadn't been moved in a while. You know, when you haven't been adjusted in a long time, in my mind, to be honest, I never say this, but what I always visualize is taking the lint out of the dryer. You know?
Yeah.
You just got a ton of lint. I feel like just to take that lint out, get it more energy efficient.
Already can run.
Boca arriba, yeah.
God. Wow.
All right, big abrazo.
You never forget your first
Yeah, come on up like a sit up. Good. I'm gonna get real low. We're gonna take that lint out of your back, okay? Oh! Yes, ma'am. And there is one more I want to get, okay? Right there. Good. Oh! Good, yep.
My God. Wow, I can breathe.
You can breathe.
Yeah, suelta la mano. There you go.
Last time I checked, being able to breathe better is a good thing, right? That's a healthy thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, all these people say all these negative things, but man, thank God the adjustment doesn't lie, right? I mean, thank God it doesn't lie. Teeth together. Alright. You feel me come underneath. Yeah, so guys, I'm feeling just a lot of restriction. Still like a wall in there. I'm gonna drop this down. Good. You're gonna feel me rock out a little bit more.
Wow. Oh. My God. Jesus Christ.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm alright.
Breathe, just breathe.
Wow.
Yeah. That'll adjust your soul, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
come
yeah.
on up.
My God.
Hang on 1 second. Swing your legs actually around there for me. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Yeah. All right. Look all the way up for me. You're gonna go back to New York, a new person.
Yeah.
You get family time, you got some spine time, right?
Oh yeah.
My God.
You just need a good meal after this.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
My
So
pleasure.
good.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Thank
Oh,
you
you're
so
welcome.
much. My God.
How do you feel?
Thank you. Wow, I feel good.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I told you. I told you.
Adjustments don't lie.
No, they don't. No, they don't.
I feel so good.
I told you. You can move,
My
right?
God, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I know. I see a little emotion
she
coming
was,
out there.
yeah.
That's
because
beautiful.
The thing is that she's been
Well,
talking
thanks for
about
letting me
this.
take care of your
Thank
mama. I
you,
appreciate
thank
that.
you, thank you for everything.
Thanks for letting me take care of you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Have a good time with the family.
Yeah.
I'll call. Do you want to vibe with her or just skip it and go